Welcome back, everyone. Okay, so you need to forget everything you thought you knew about high-end TVs. Samsung just dropped a bombshell, a 115-inch television. But honestly, its massive size is probably the least interesting thing about it. The real story, the revolution, is the brand new screen technology that's packed inside. It's called Micro RGB.
That's right. And that really is the big question we're tackling today. Could this actually be it? Is this new 115-inch R95H the TV that finally checks every single box for a home theater fanatic? We're going to break down the tech, the features, and yeah, the frankly staggering price to see if this is the new king of the hill for home entertainment.
All right, let's just dive right in. This is it, the 115-inch R95H. It's set to launch in the summer of 2025. Now, Samsung is kind of calling it a proof of concept, but let's be real, it's way more than that. This is their first shot in creating an entirely new, ultra-premium category of televisions.
So, what on earth makes a TV worth the price of a pretty nice car? Well, it all comes down to the brand new engine they've built under the hood. So let's peel back the layers on this micro RGB stuff and see what makes it so different. Okay, here's the absolute key. Unlike pretty much every other LED TV that uses a white or maybe a blue backlight with color filters, micro RGB is totally different. It uses microscopic individual red, green, and blue LEDs. I mean, think of it like an artist having a separate, tiny, perfect paintbrush for every single primary color in every single little zone of the screen. This gives it an absolutely insane level of control over both color and light. Now, this table is super important for understanding where micro RGB fits into the whole TV landscape. As you can see, it's not quite the holy grail of true micro LED, where every single pixel lights itself up. But, and this is a big but, look at the huge leap it takes from mini LED. Instead of just having zones of filtered light, micro RGB controls the individual red, green, and blue diodes. This means way more precise control over the color and contrast. It's this powerful middle ground that gets you closer to perfection without the completely astronomical cost of true micro LED. Okay, enough with the engineering talk. Let's get to the payoff, right? How does all this fancy tech actually make your movie night better? First up, and this is a total game changer for anyone with a bright living room, is the UL-certified glare-free technology. It's designed to literally absorb reflections from windows or lamps, which means you can finally watch a dark, moody movie during the day without seeing your own face staring back at you, so you can actually watch the playoffs with the windows open. Gamers, you're going to want to listen up for this one. The R95H has motion accelerator at 144 Hz, plus VRR, which stands for variable refresh rate. So, in simple terms, it syncs the TV's refresh rate perfectly with your console or your PC's frame rate. And that just eliminates all that ugly screen tearing and stuttering. The result? Incredibly smooth, super responsive gameplay in beautiful 4K. And this isn't just for gaming either. The AI Motion Enhancer Pro is huge for sports fans. The TV's brain, its neural processor, is actually trained to identify small, fast-moving things, like a football or a hockey puck, and it selectively sharpens them in real time. This completely cuts out that annoying motion blur, so every single pass and every shot is perfectly crisp and clear. And you've got to have the sound to match that amazing picture, right? Well, with its 4.2.2 channel speaker setup and Dolby Atmos, it basically creates this dome of sound all around you. But the Object Tracking Sound Plus is the really cool part. The AI makes the sound follow the action. So if a car drives from the left side of the screen to the right, the sound literally moves across the TV speakers right along with it. Okay, the technology is obviously incredible, but now it's time for the part of the show that brings us all crashing back down to earth. The price. Let's talk about what this thing actually costs and who Samsung is even competing with in this brand new arena. You might want to sit down for this. Based on the European launch price of 28,000 euros, we're looking at a price tag right around 30,000 US dollars. Yeah, this isn't just a premium TV. This is squarely in the ultra luxury if you have to ask you can't afford it category.
And believe it or not, Samsung isn't fighting this battle alone. LG is jumping into the ring with its own Micro RGB TV, and you can see the battle lines are already being drawn. LG is pushing its super powerful Alpha 11 AI processor and claiming OLED-level precision, which is their way of saying perfect blacks and contrast. But Samsung is hitting back by highlighting its massive advantage in dimming zones. We're talking over 5,000 compared to LG's 1,000, and really pushing that exclusive glare-free tech as a major real-world benefit. And that's what is just so wild about all of this. I mean, this quote from the Home Scene Solutions blog just sums it up perfectly. A year ago, this entire category of television just didn't exist. Now it's about to become a major battleground for the biggest names in the business. So if this one gigantic 115-inch model is just the opening shot, what does the full-scale invasion look like? Because trust me, Samsung isn't just testing the waters here. They are planning a massive deployment of this technology for 2026. And here's the game plan. For 2026, Samsung is expanding Micro RGB into two complete series, the R95H and a new R85H. And just look at the range of sizes, from a, modest 55-inch all the way up to that 115-inch monster. The goal here is crystal clear. Take this from a single, crazy expensive Halo product and turn it into a full lineup for the entire premium market. So how are they going to separate the two? Well, the R95H series is going to stay the top-tier absolute flagship. It gets to keep all the best goodies, like that advanced AI Engine Pro and the slick wireless One Connect box. The R85H series will be the more, let's say, accessible entry point. You still get that amazing core Micro RGB panel, but with a more standard processor and features. And this rollout is seriously aggressive. That massive 115-inch model lands in mid-2025. Just 6 months later, at CES 2026, they're going to unveil the entire family of TVs. And then, throughout 2026, we should start seeing all these new sizes actually hitting store shelves. I mean, they are moving incredibly fast on this. Which, of course, leaves us with the final big question. There is absolutely no doubt that Micro RGB is a phenomenal leap forward in display technology. It offers color and control that we really just haven't seen before. But will it ever trickle down to become the new standard in our living rooms? Or is its eye-watering price tag destined to keep it as a beautiful but ultimately unattainable fantasy for all but a select few? That is the billion-dollar question for the future of TV. Let us know what you think down in the comments.